Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. If you're tired of using the default clock on your Android device and are looking for something more functional and customizable, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into some of the best digital clock and alarm clock apps that can enhance your time management experience. Whether you need a simple display, soothing wake-up sounds, or a bold clock view, these apps have got you covered. Let's get started. Digital Clock and Alarm Clock app. The Digital Clock and Alarm Clock app provides users with a sleek and straightforward interface that displays the time in a large, easy-to-read digital format. Apart from the basic time display, it also features customizable alarm settings, allowing users to set multiple alarms with different tones, snooze options, and repeat settings. The app includes a sleep timer that lets users listen to music or white noise before falling asleep. Additionally, it offers various color themes and font sizes, so users can personalize their clock display to suit their preferences. Overall, this app is perfect for anyone looking for a minimalist yet functional digital clock and alarm solution. Alarm Clock Mornings VE Naps. Alarm Clock Mornings VE Naps is a versatile alarm clock app designed to wake users up gently with soothing sounds and customizable features. The app allows users to set multiple alarms with unique settings, such as gradually increasing volume, snooze options, and a variety of alarm tones. One of its standout features is the nap function, which lets users set short alarms for power naps, making it ideal for those wanting to recharge during the day. The app also includes a weather display and customizable themes to enhance the user experience. With its user-friendly interface and thoughtful features, this app is perfect for those who want to wake up feeling refreshed and relaxed. Huge Digital Clock. Huge Digital Clock is a minimalist app that focuses on providing a simple and effective digital clock experience. As the name suggests, it features a large, bold display that makes it easy to read the time from a distance, making it a great choice for users who need a reliable clock while in bed or across the room. The app allows for customizable time formats and color schemes, giving users options to tailor the appearance to their liking. It also includes alarm functionality with various settings, including snooze and different alarm tones. Its straightforward design and emphasis on visibility make Huge Digital Clock an excellent option for those who appreciate simplicity and clarity in a clock app. Thank you for watching. We hope this overview of digital clock and alarm clock apps helps you find the perfect solution for managing your time and alarms. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more app recommendations and tech tips. Which app are you looking forward to trying? Share your thoughts in the comments below. See you next time.